If you want your hair to dry in just a couple minutes, you've got to try out a fast drying hair dryer. This one is by Wavy Talk and it has 3 settings for the fan speed, and it has cool, warm, and hot. It's also on sale right now for Black Friday. I like to angle it down while I'm drying my hair so it smooths out the frizz. First section took only 2 minutes. Second section also only took 2 minutes. That is crazy to get all my hair dry in just 4 minutes. It's also really lightweight, which makes it easy on your arms, and it comes with another diffuser attachment.